This is a review of compressed air duster. Let's go ahead and open it. This is super power turbo fan. Here we go. Here is the bag. User manual. We have some cleaning stuff. And here is the fan. This has 4-speed adjustable and LED light. And these are the nozzles. That's the first one, second one, third one, fourth, and here's the fifth one. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. There we go. This is turn on and off button. And here is the level changing button. And this is the LED lights. That's the LED screen. Let's press and hold. It's 100% right now. That's level 1. Level 2, level 3, and level 4. It has 4 levels. Let's go ahead and try some of the nozzles here. This is like hair dry. And here is the last one. Let's check the cleaning tool. Two-sided brush. Especially when you're cleaning the computer stuff, you're gonna need these. Here is the last one. There are some areas over here very dusty, and let me try to go ahead and focus on here. You can see the dust right there. Maybe I can try to use this one. I already have so many things here. Dust and debris around my keyboard. This is another one. Now I can go ahead and use the turbo fan. First of all, we're going to turn it on from here. And let's go ahead and start. This is level 2. You can use it as a hair dryer. Let's turn it on first. And then level 1. Awesome feeling. Let's try it right over here. I can definitely suggest this product is because it has 4 levels. As you can see, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. It has different types of heads and so many cleaning tools. Definitely suggest this product is because it has 4 nozzles extra, and this is for the air dryer. You can clean your computer and clean all the electronic devices. And we have different types of brushes, cleaning tools, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and here we have the bag. You can put all the things inside. This brush has a magnifying glass right there. Let's put all of them together and just store it wherever you like. Definitely suggest it.